Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting element. Now there's a lot of individuals that are asking us questions, and obviously I want to make sure that we make videos according to the requirements and the questions which a lot of individuals give us. And one of those questions is that how do we use Shopify if we want to start a restaurant? And obviously we're going to look in great detail how you can actually do that. Remember, guys, Shopify is one of those platforms that can give you anything and everything. It is literally a place where your dreams can come a reality, and that is the reason why millions of entrepreneurs right now are choosing Shopify to build their business, because they understand exactly what they need to do and how they need to do it. And that is the reason why we have gone into great detail in researching, finding information about that can help you expand and scale your business. And obviously with Shopify, there's a lot of elements that you tend to get which you do not get with a lot of e-commerce platforms, and one of which is the fact that you can bring your vision to life with your simple, easy to use store creator. You don't need coding expertise at all, meaning you don't need to hire any individual such as a front-end developer or a back-end developer. You don't even need to get a UI or UX individuals. All you need to do is focus on scaling your business and implementing the correct strategy that we're going to share with you. And the reason why we believe we have got the right strategy is because we have gone into great detail in understanding the different dynamics and implementing those dynamics and ensuring that we can actually provide and learn from the mistakes that a lot of individuals and entrepreneurs tend to make when they're starting their businesses. And obviously, having learned all those elements, we're bringing them to you through our videos. So if you haven't checked our channel out, guys, go ahead and check it out, and I'm sure you're gonna find a lot of helpful videos. They also have hundreds of customizable templates that you can use, and obviously with their app store, there's so many features and functionalities that you can add that would really give you a competitive advantage. You can connect with customers everywhere. At the end of the day, guys, one of the most important elements to keep in mind is your customer, where to find them, how to get to them, and how to convert a customer to become a loyal and lifelong customer. And you can do all of that with using Shopify, because everything that you need to succeed is available for you at your fingertips, from managing your inventory, from tracking payments, and even viewing real-time business insight from a single dashboard. And literally that gives you a chance to focus on building your business. And that is the reason why I always recommend individuals to start with Shopify, because they're empowering entrepreneurs everywhere across the globe. Millions of merchants worldwide are using and harnessing the power of Shopify. They're available in 175 countries, meaning you can get access to individuals in 175 countries across the globe. They have supported 5 million jobs, and they have done an economic activity of $444 billion. Even if you get 1% of that, that would be enough to change your financial circumstances, help you break away from the 9-to-5 and get the financial independence that you always required and become a financially sound individual. So how do you do it? All you need to do is click in the description below on the link and get your Shopify account for 90 days. If you don't have it, just click on start the free trial and head over and finish all the steps. By just clicking start the free trial, it will take you to the next page on which you would have to ask a couple of questions, and after you finish those questions, you will head over to your dashboard. This is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, you're going to have your orders, your product, your customers, your analytics, marketing and discounts, and your online store. Now, one of the things that I want to recommend and show you guys the fact that there's a lot of different themes that are available on Shopify, but one of the mistakes which a lot of people tend to make and don't understand is the fact that there are certain themes that work for certain elements. For example, if you want to sell a product, either it be a phone or apparels, you need a particular theme that's going to be available. As you can see, there are themes available on Shopify, but if you're selling food, if you're selling drinks, if you want to start a restaurant, what do? I would recommend that you head over to themeforest.net. Themeforest.net is one of the biggest platforms where you can find web themes and templates. And obviously, all you need to do is search for restaurants, and you can see all the elements over here. On the left hand side, you're going to have different filters that's going to go for shopping, health and care, entertainment, technology, and also the different categories that are available. On the top, you're going to have your best match, your best sellers, your newest, and your best rated as well. So we're going to go ahead and check out some of these amazing restaurant themes that are available. It is literally going to cost you a fraction of a cost compared to hiring someone and getting a theme built. This particular theme is for $19. If you scroll down, we can see different themes that are available. I'm going to select a couple of themes and show you exactly how amazing this opportunity is. All you need to do is get this theme and you're good to go. For example, let's start with a theme over here, which is called the Dishy. Now, I like the Dishy. The reason why I like the Dishy because it covers all the different elements, but we want to check out how the Dishy actually looks like, how the theme functions, and can we or can we not use it. For example, if you look at directly on the theme over here, we're going to click at view the demo to see how the theme actually works. This is on Shopify, as you can see on the top over here, and you can actually use this theme. The first thing that comes up is get a 10% discount by subscribing and receiving your discount on your first order. As you can clearly see, the element of consumer psychology has been looked at. Now, these are individuals that have posted and developed these themes and put them on theme forums because these are individuals that understand the development side of things. And obviously, if you're an individual that's starting off a business, you wouldn't have the expertise as someone as a front-end developer or a back-end developer or a UI UX individuals, but these are themes that are built by individuals that have focused on the graphics, that have focused on the elements, they understand the color coding, they understand the programming of the actual website. So the first thing that pops up is obviously the discount, which is absolutely brilliant. We love that. And then once you get into it, as you can see, it's a very clean and absolutely brilliant way. And the element over here is that the please click to accept the cookies. That literally means that they can track the information, meaning once they track the information, when they understand the consumer behavior, they would be able to cater for you better. So if you get this theme, you will be able to get the data from the people, what they're doing and how they're behaving on their computers, on their laptops when they're searching for food or other related things, to give you more control over giving a better consumer experience to your buyers. So we're going to say accept over here to show you exactly how it works. As you see, there's different pop-ups coming up over here of people that are buying. This is a restaurant that holds its spices, and obviously, as you can clearly see, someone buys it, there's information that comes up. So they understood the consumer psychology, that anyone that's looking for something, they want to say that, people are buying it and so should you. Then they have all this information about chicken, burgers, pizzas, eggs, drinks, and breads, and all of the information about who they are, what they do, and giving the individuals, the consumer, a chance to understand and connect before they buy it. And this is one of the crucial things in marketing, guys, that we need to implement on our landing pages, which is available with Dishy theme, is that they understood the psychology of the consumer. They understood how the mentality of the consumer, and they've implemented those perspectives from a marketing perspective into the theme itself. So giving a chance for consumers to connect with the story, to connect with the business, to connect with the enterprise, to connect with the organization, to ensure that when they buy something, is not just that they're buying something, but they're emotionally getting attached to the organization, ensuring that you're converting that customer into a lifelong loyal customer. And if you scroll down, you have all the information about the eggs, about the noodles, about the steaks. Now, if you click on this, you can actually check out what is the details for this particular product. I absolutely love this theme that's available. As you can clearly see, this is a non-veg. The size is available, the actual vendor is available, the type is available, the availability is available. How do you add it? What is the product description? What is the additional information? You can check out the reviews as well. Now, clearly, all of this information is provided to ensure that anyone that gets the theme has the proper source of information so they can buy the particular product. And that is crucial when you are selecting a theme, to give the proper information. Now, all you need to do once you get this theme is put that information in. Just change the prices, change the pictures, you're good to go. And everything has been taken care of for you from scratch to the way it all ends, because that is the power of getting a theme that is well made, that is well established. If you want to head over and check out a different theme, for example, if you don't have that kind of budget for $58, you can go something for $19 and see how it looks, see how it feels, see what response you tend to get. And then based on that response, you can always upgrade. So let's go ahead and check this particular theme out, see how it looks in the live demo, so we can understand from a visual perspective of how it's going to be. So we're going to enter a password over here. Now, this is what the theme for Food Shell is going to be. Now, again, the same thing we saw before. Someone has purchased this. The pictures are changing. We got biryani over here that looks absolutely brilliant. I'm getting hungry watching this right now. And if you look at the quality, the master chefs, the taste, and all this information about trending products, who is buying what and how much they're buying it for, you got the actual reviews available here as well. And if you click on, for example, this particular product, you can get a breakdown of the description of the product as well, from the seasoning, what has been added, what are the materials, the dimensions, what is the information about it is going to be available. Now, this is the basic element over here. And guys, at the end of the day, this is literally the reason why I personally love Shopify, because they've gone into great detail in establishing themselves not just a product oriented, but a digital means as well. So you don't physically need to send or sell items. You can sell other products, you can sell other items. It could be digital, it could be food related, it could be done with anything and everything. And that is the reason why Shopify has become so huge in the industry right now. And there's so many themes that are available that are in link with Shopify that you could use and put on your Shopify theme. And you can buy them from themeforest.net. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below. Now, this is literally the way that you can develop yourself. So you don't need to start from scratch. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You can focus on growing your business. You can focus on developing something that's unique. You can focus on creating something that really stands out, and combining all this element and taking all these elements into consideration, you can literally scale your business and become financially independent. If you have any questions, guys, whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.